Tenzin Rojan from STS Gurupura, studying in class 9. The name of my exhibit is Finger-Friendly Door. The purpose of making this project is to prevent kids from incidents where their finger gets smashed or slammed between the door hinge gap. How we came up with this idea is, a year ago, me and my friends encountered an incident where class 2 kids and his friends were playing in the corridor. And when he got tired, he leaned his hand towards the door hinge gap. And suddenly, one of his friends accidentally slammed the door closed and his fingers were smashed between the door hinge gap. And right after that, he was rushed to hospital for medication. So later on, me and my friends pondered on how we can prevent such accidents. At last, we came up with this idea of making finger-friendly door. The scientific principle behind this project is two rigid forms connected revolve corresponding to each other about a fixed axis of rotation. Hinges allow movement between two linked objects. So my friend Digala will explain the working of this project.
Let me show you how it works. When we open the door, we can attach the foam by sliding on the foam anchor and cover the hinge gap. In that way, they will not put their finger in this door hinge gap accidentally. When we close the door, the foam will automatically adjust itself. If we make this type of door, it is very useful. First, to prevent small kids from getting their finger injured from the door hinge gap. Second, parents and teachers don't have to worry about their kids from such mistakes.